Hi Sagittarius, welcome to the channel. This is the Lady of the Throne, where God dwells within me as me. Thanks for being here today. If you like or resonate with this, then make sure that before you go to hit that thumbs up button. And you can interact with the video, drop a comment down below, and if you have not already subscribed, make sure that you subscribe to the channel because you don't want to miss videos like this. There's always a lot of very powerful, intuitive messages that are here for you guys, especially. And I think that you'll really enjoy this journey that you're on with me. So make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any spiritual guidance, okay? And turn on those post notifications as well. Sagittarius, before I get started, I have a small announcement. Just want to say that if you all are interested in finding out what's going on with you and your love interest, I do have video recordings that are available. And with these video recordings, you can get a special video just like this, except everything will be personalized for you and your person of interest. Once you send you and your person's names, we'll go ahead and do a video like this, and that way you can have this information to help you out with any kind of connection that you have, anything romantic, anything love related in your life. So before I get started, I want to say that right now I am channeling music because words, scribe, language, and music and sound is very, very important at this very specific time. This is August, which is also back to school month, and with this energy being a back to school type of energy, that's why we're in a learning time. All right, so let's go ahead and look at a few things here. The song that I have for you all that I channeled is Have You Ever by singer Brandy. Have You Ever by Brandy. The lyrics go, have you ever loved somebody so much it makes you cry? Have you ever needed something so bad you can't sleep at night? Have you ever tried to find the words, but they don't come out right? Have you ever? Have you ever? Now this energy can be about like how you are feeling toward a love interest or how a love interest feels about you. What I am getting here is that there is a really, 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 really big amount of love that someone has that they don't know how to put it into words, or words cannot express how much someone loves another person. This love is so genuine, it's so real, it's so deep, and it's felt strongly during the last half of the month. The love is felt immensely, 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 you guys. It's a really, really, really deep love and a joy and an appreciation for all that you are, or maybe all that they are. It is whoever feels this way in this connection. Now, let's go a little deeper and see how you specifically are feeling about this person during this time. First thing I'm getting here is, do you remember the time? Okay. You could be getting so many glimpses into the past, or learning a lot of things about your past life at this time. Or you just could be really more curious about your true identity, your spiritual gifts, or information seeking right now, Sagittarius. If you guys want to know more about your past life, I highly suggest getting a past life reading, connecting with a spiritual person, connecting with an intuitive, connecting with someone that can channel this information to see it, feel it, or find out about your past origins and help you out with this information. Because the reason why you're being guided to all of this during this time is because you guys are on a spiritual journey. This is like, for some of you, the beginning of your spiritual awakening, okay? Or maybe this is like another level to your spiritual awakening. And what this means is that, you know, people can have many spiritual awakenings in one lifetime, and all it's doing is pulling you closer to God. You're ascending. So with every spiritual awakening you have, there will be new information given to you from the divine. And as you gain this new information from the divine, you will be elevating more and more, reaching higher heights. You will be able to see little glimpses of joy, happiness, and peace come through an abundant light from heaven that will just shine on you. The more you awaken and the more you learn, the more you open up to new things, it's all getting you closer to God. This is all helping you to understand what the plan is and how to execute according to what God wants for your life. So you guys are really going through something right now, okay? I'm getting butterflies, so some of you are definitely going through a spiritual transformation. A big awakening is happening because the butterflies do symbolize metamorphosis, symbolizes change, going from a cocoon to a fully blown butterfly. This can also be about being a social butterfly. It could be that you're in groups of people talking a lot more. Social events or activities could be surrounding some of you. But there is an energy of you talking about spiritual topics with people, conversing about history, maybe heavy topics or debates about things, engaging in some type of intellectual studies or reading books about certain things when it comes to spirituality or religion. Just remember that when you are speaking with others about these things, remember one thing: honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy when dealing with situations that are so sensitive like this, because what I'm getting here is that you don't want to speak about things that you honestly don't know. Just make sure that if it's things that you really don't know or don't know much about, just admit that. And it's okay to let your ego come down in times when you're speaking about things like this and just admit, you know what, I don't know much about that, but I can tell you what I do know, right? But just admit to the things that you don't know, because I think that that'll open the door for receiving higher perspectives. And or not even that, it could just be alternate opinions, things that would probably spark off another debate, another topic to talk about, right? So there is a lot of that type of energy circulating you, which doesn't really give me much about how you feel about your person. But let's look at your person of interest and see how they feel, because if it's not giving me that much, then it could be that some of you are having these conversations with your person of interest. It could be. So your person of interest right now, this person is moving with strategy, and there is some impulsive decision making going on with this person too, especially if they have Aries somewhere in their birth chart, or in Vedic astrology they are an Aries sun sign. Either way, they're acting on impulse, but they're moving with strategy. I feel like this person is a little wild child right now. They could be just doing things just taking opportunities too quickly or something, or jumping on something too fast, or taking quick actions. And it's just something that is really interesting. You're going to notice the very interesting energy that your person is in right now. They seem to be in an energy that's not really your favorite version of them, okay? But you just gotta deal with it. whatever they're on right now, you just kind of have to deal with this. This person could be this way because maybe they have a new goal in mind, or a new interest or hobby, something creative that's sparking their interest, something that piques their interest and makes them feel entertained or inspired. They're getting entertained and inspired by their own ideas and passions right now. This person's like a seeker of wisdom, a seeker of extraordinary things, a seeker of magical things. Like, this person's like a little seeker energy where they may get themselves into some stuff if they keep looking, that type of thing. They are very inquisitive, but they are strategic with this. And when people act like that, that is a recipe for some sneaky behavior. And then that leads to you finding out. And then that's going to lead to a whole other debate. So it is something really like, your person's just in a they're in some type of wonky state. That's the best word that I can use for this right now. I don't know. This person's you just go on this whimsical ride with this person. Wherever they take you, they don't even know. I just think that this person's just like trying to find so much inspiration from so many people, places, things, or ideas that the originality is not exactly showing or peeking through. Like, you can look at this person and tell that they are grabbing bits and pieces of inspiration from different places that's not really inherent of who they are. Your person could be trying to give off an impression of being more than what they really are in the world, right? It's like being a performer and that's all you've ever been, but then one day you wake up and decide to be a god or a goddess. I don't know. Like, your person is very funny and interesting, and this person could also be in an energy of being competitive, right? This may be a turnoff for you. Okay, so that's what I'm getting here for a small amount of you, not everyone. So how do you see this person? You may want to talk to them, or you could be like quickly trying to get some information to this person, get something through to them. This could be an urgent thing. Some of you could be dealing with a Scorpio, because this came up in Scorpio's reading too, or there could be a Scorpio involved in something. So either you're dealing with a Scorpio or there's one involved in a situation that you may be dealing with right now. And it's like somebody wants to quickly tell someone something. So you may see your person wanting to quickly tell you about something, or quickly take action towards you and call you, talk to you, connect with you, or this is something that you are trying to do with this person. The way your person sees you, the numbers 2, 4, 6, 24, or 44 can be very, very significant to this connection in any kind of way. Can be birth dates, can be life path numbers, or anything relevant. Your person sees you ready to open the door to become like a really like someone who is saved. You could be going from a broken soul to like a healed soul within the next 2 weeks, to be honest with you. Giving your life to Christ, or giving your life to God. Not in an extreme way, of course, but just like believing, really believing, or for some of you, your person sees you as having qualities like a child of God, like having a spiritual power that's beyond this world, able to receive direct messages from the heavens, having strong spiritual protection, being a generational a generational curse breaker, but I want to say like some type of public figure that will have a lot of spiritual authority, okay, in the spiritual realms. This is someone who sees you going through a massive change or a powerful revealing of truths about spirituality right now. They see you ascending. They see you becoming some type of ascended soul. You guys are ascending at this time. There is an abundance that surrounds you because of all these things that are happening right now. You are accepting your role. You are taking more pride in being a child of God. You could be getting baptized again for some of you. For others of you, you are just really walking into your actual calling. You are becoming more pure. You are starting to cleanse yourself more. You're starting to wake up. Maybe you thought you were already woke, but you didn't know woke until now. Wow. Whatever you're going through right now, your person praises this change that you're going through. And they know that you are about to make a very powerful impact on the world around you, because you are committing and dedicating yourself more to spiritual things, spiritual traditions, ceremonies, or you're creating some type of meditation, sacred space maybe in your home. It's something that you guys are going to be doing that's helping you connect to God, helping you connect to Christ, and you are going to be completely a new person by the end of this powerful awakening here. And that's what I'm getting. That's all I have. God bless.